good morning, everybody. I say good morning because it's still early here. It's 7:20, 7:24. Okay, I'm 4 minutes late from when it's weird because I set the time when I start. But good morning, happy Thursday to you. Hope you're doing absolutely wonderful. Welcome to the Court of Public Opinion. I am the Recovery Addict. It's great to have you all here. I am still up at Bear Lake. This is the last full day I'm going to be here. So I'll sleep here tonight, and then I think I'm going to be in a hotel tomorrow night. So, all right. Anyway, I hope I didn't send the date wrong on everything, but welcome. Good to have you all here. We've got, we've got Lena H. is first in chat. Lena, congratulations. You are first and second even. So congratulations. The internet is all yours. Everything IP related worldwide is your responsibility. Yeah. So I can sleep well tonight knowing that you've got control over all that. Hope you all are having a fabulous day. We're going to do a little bit of court hopping this morning. I'm just bugged because I don't have the control over the audio that I normally do. So I'm looking for a bunny as well, but I probably overshare a lot of stuff about myself and my family. So I hope they don't mind. But I just think it's super funny that we rent this really nice place. Okay, it's awesome and we love it. It is. I mean, there's room for everybody. There's couches and chairs and tables and beds and everything, and there's room for everybody. It's really nice. Like, it's so nice that I'm like, don't break anything. We can't afford it, right? So everyone be nice. Be careful with everything. Don't break it. And so one of the activities we chose to do as a family was tie-dye shirts, which I think it goes really well with a really nice house. We used a tarp. So I don't think we stained anything, but I haven't seen the shirts yet. I did not make one. I bought a bunch of shirts coming up here because a lot of people forgot the sizes they needed. But did it say in 2 hours? Oh. Whoa, yeah. I did say in 2 hours. Sorry about that. I was thinking Eastern time when I put the time in, but oops. Yeah, okay. Anyway, it is an absolutely beautiful morning out here. I'm not sure if you saw the picture in... Let's see if we can do this here. Can I zoom in? I think I can zoom in. There we go. This is my view this morning. Just beautiful skies over the lake, a soft breeze. Last night, right as it was getting dark, I was out playing pickleball, first time ever. And you guys will see that a little bit tonight. Not me playing, but you'll see the court more. So I was out playing pickleball in the backyard, and right over here in the ravine, like over here, there were two huge moose that just walked all the way right up here between all the houses, headed up to the mountains over there, just up that ravine. So that was cool. I got to see that, but no bears yet. I haven't seen any bears. I'm the real deal on the pickleball court. Here's how it went. You guys know Thomas Weatherwatch loves pickleball and is really good at it. And he's been encouraging me to play for a long time. And I've always thought, yeah, when I get time, or when the time's right, or I want to do that, it's always been on my bucket list. It's a lot of fun. It's a ton of fun. My brother I didn't know this. My older brother is also really involved. He's got like multiple gear bags and all the different paddles. He wraps the handles, he's into it. He's into it a lot. Multiple mooses are mises. Yes, that's correct. Multiple moose. A flock of moosin is what it was. Anyway, so he brought all the gear as well. They already have stuff at the Airbnb, but it's just sort of like entry-level things. And so he's trying to explain it to me, and he's good enough to play competitively, right? To, enter tournaments and probably do well. And of course, we've got, I don't know, like 700 little kids here. And so they're all like, oh, ping pong on a tennis court is how they're seeing this. And they all want to play. So what started out as a 2v2 training scenario ended up in like a 6v8 free-for-all on the pickleball court. So I'm not sure how well my skills improved during my initial training, but I did have a little bit of fun. Got a couple good serves in, got a couple good saves in, did a little bit of dinking back and forth. So I'm pretty much I'm up to speed. So hopefully get some time to play where it's just adults today. But anyway, man, it is beautiful today. I think today is a beach day. It is so still. It's so quiet. It's quiet because I went to bed at midnight. Okay, I'm not a young punk anymore. I can't stay up until the wee hours of the morning. I have no clue what time everyone else went to bed, but I know that breakfast is supposed to be served and over in an hour, and nobody's up but me. So I think the schedule got pushed because everyone stayed up all night playing games. And by the way, games, my family loves games. We do board games, we do puzzles, we do, all sorts of games. Is it hot there? No. It's like I almost lit the outdoor campfire. We've got this fireplace over here. You just flip the switch and it lights. But right now it's probably, I'm going to go with about 64 degrees. It's going to be just shy of, 85 or so this afternoon. 85, 88, somewhere around there. But absolutely beautiful, just stunning. Still have not been to the other cabin, which is actually down on the lake. It like borders the water. So I might go down there today. Let's see, does anybody have birthdays today that needs to be sung to Acappella style? Don't think the neighbors will mind. They're sleeping in too. Yeah, Melissa, this weather, this is like heaven. This is unbelievable. And even when it does get hot, it's dry. It's like a dry heat. So when your body naturally sweats when you get hot, it evaporates and it cools you off like an evaporative cooler. It is the best thing. So it doesn't even feel hot when it is hot. It's going to feel like 100 plus in Richmond. Oh, no thanks. I'm not excited about going back and seeing the humidity. Although the dryness of the air, my skin feels it here. Not seeing any birthdays today. Derek is 22, says Carrie. It just came right after Samantha posted that. Perfect timing. So we've got Derek to sing to. Have another heat advisory day in Northeast Alabama. Raining like the Dickens in Ohio. Please bring the cooler air home with you. I'm going to get like a couple of my empty water bottles and fill it up and do it. They don't have Deer Park, by the way. They don't have Deer Park here, so we're going with Arrowhead, which is, it's okay. You miss the Mountain West? I do. I can't tell you how much I've missed just having mountains around me. That I've the saying that people say the mountains are calling and I must go. That's me. I love the mountains. Beautiful high in the low 70s today in West Dallas, Wisconsin, where the state fair opens. Ooh, yum. I want the heat. I'm on vacation. This is cricket. I can put things on the screen when I'm talking about it. I forgot I could do this. Moved to West Virginia. West Virginia is beautiful. It's like all mountains. I love driving through it, but I want to see more of it. I want to go to West Virginia. Oh, there are the bunnies. I see the bunnies. Hang on. Wait for it. Can't find my camera. Okay. Need to zoom in. Okay. The bunnies are running around in the bushes. There are two. They're chasing each other. So we've got. Now they're hiding. What sound does a bunny make? How do you call a bunny? I can see the birds. I don't know. They gone. I tried, guys. I tried. Just for those that will never see a bunny because I can't catch one on camera. They're about the size of a small football. Oh, there's one. It's on the road. Hang on. Look, it's right here next to the car. Do you see that? It's hiding in the shadow next to the... Wait for him to hop. He's tiny. There he goes. Now he's gone. Maybe he's coming closer. Oh, he's under the car. Under the license plate. These are the bunnies we have. I'm a terrible cameraman, I just noticed. So these are cottontail rabbits. They're not jackrabbits. They're fast. It's headed down to the hot tub area. So, all right. It is, honestly, this is like heaven. This is so pretty. Especially this morning, there's like nobody's out on the lake. So I'm not hearing any boats out there at all. I think I'm half a mile to the lake right now. But the other house is right on the lake in it. So he just has its own little launch pad and its own beach. Pretty sure if you try and look like a duck and go wabbit season, they'll come over and argue with you. Hey, there's a great idea. Do we have anyone else that needs to be sung to? Tammy says you're only 2 hours, 45 minutes away. Breakfast is ready. Tammy, honestly, if I came up, I'd probably get served breakfast before I get served breakfast here. It's just, nobody's awake yet. So, Derek and Patrick, we're going to sing Happy Birthday Acappella to everyone as the walkers are going by. So, so everyone, it goes like this. We're all going to sing Happy Birthday to Derek and Patrick. Everyone, wherever you are, stand up, take a deep breath, the shoulders back, project your voice to the back of the room, blend your voice with your neighbor, warm up with me if you will. La 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 la. That's low. That's low today. We're going to sing like that. Okay. They're going to laugh at me. Here we go. I think we need to be higher. It's going to be, we're going to go higher. So we're going to end on that note. They're laughing at me. I know. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Derek and Patrick. Happy birthday to you. There you go. Happy birthday. Derek and Patrick, thank you very much. I realize there are a million places you could be, a million people you could have been celebrating with, but you chose to be here next to the lake with me on vacation. The privilege, pleasure, the honor is ours. Hopefully we can turn that pleasure back to you, make your day a little more special. Begin by helping yourself to free pancakes. Free pancakes at Denny's, IHOP Village Inn, Waffle House, McDonald's, Tammy Dunlap's house, Andy's Grill, Bob Evans, and Cracker Barrel. I think. There was another one. Greeny says, I'm not weird. I'm singing with thousands of my closest friends. Them sure, yeah. I'll tell you that they're walking by and they all move to the other side of the street. Like, there's like the close side where people are walking and they move to the far side. So, not sure what that means. But thank you. Kimar, thank you very much for the super sticker this morning. I appreciate it. I can't see what it is on the screen. StreamYard doesn't show it. I just noticed it. Sorry. Are the high kickers getting PTO during this vacation? Yes, for sure. I'm excited to get back in my studio, though. That is, I miss a lot of what we have there and what makes court so much fun to watch, especially being able to just fix the audio. Man, I didn't know how much that would bug me, but anyway, let's see. Do you guys want to go to Mr. Michael McNally's court this morning? Is there anything else I'm missing? Did I forget anything? Super sticker was a heart. Awesome. Thank you, Greeners. Appreciate that. And I thanked Greeners, but I should probably thank Kim R. Kim, thank you for the heart. I appreciate it. Oh, great news, Amber! Thank you for sharing this. I saw this actually. I was intrigued by the case, mostly because I hadn't heard many details, and I'm not sure I want to. But for those that aren't following, in Arkansas, in Devil's Den State Park, there was a couple that was out hiking, a husband and wife with two daughters, a 7 and a 9-year-old. And all we heard was that there was a double homicide, and the parents were killed, and the daughters were fine, which is strange. It's very strange. It's terrible because they were all together. So this is, I can't begin to imagine what those girls went through and what they witnessed. Anyway, so those girls, the 7 and 9-year-olds, were talking to police and explaining everything as they're questioning them, and they were able to draw a sketch, like a sketch artist that drew up a sketch of the guy. It's like spitting image. These girls just nailed it as far as what the guy looks like. The side by side between him and his arrest picture. What amazing work they did. But they did catch him. They caught him while he was getting a haircut. And so literally he's on the barber's chair, and the cops come in like halfway through the fade, and just wild. So terrible, tragic case. I think we're going to get some more details here soon about that. I have not seen anything else. Don't even know manner of death. Motive? What's the motive? So yeah, but I'm very glad to hear that they did catch him, and I don't think he'll be getting out anytime soon. Let's see. Mom saved the kids and told them to run, then went back to save her husband, who was hurt too. What a brave mom. Oh my goodness. The saving the kids, there's been speculation that the two daughters were his target, which is terrible. So that's, yeah. Anyway, Arkansas in the news. They caught him through a camera. I need to get all these details. The man was a 5th grade teacher in Oklahoma. Oh no. I think he'll get the rest of his haircut in jail, and it's going to be a buzz. And it was stabbing. Oh. Yeah. That's a hard one. Man, just a beautiful family too. All right, we're trying to go to court today. We're going to jump to see if we can take a watch with Judge McNally. He seems to have some of the best audio, and so let's see if I can bring Judge McNally in really quickly. We'll start some court hopping this morning. See what's up in his court. If you guys see another court that has something happening that we can jump to, let me know, and we'll try to go there. But let's see. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear the audio. Oh, you need to be able to see it too, huh? That would probably help.
How about yourself?
Pretty well, thank you.
Good. All right.
Awesome. Thumbs up. Thanks, Tech Bay. Leather Jewels, Rose with Horns, thank you very much.
Just give me the one with Ms. Trombley. I'll write that.
That one's already done.
Okay. Priority waste.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Elizabeth Trombley appearing on behalf of Priority Waste.
25T646.
Priority Waste. It sounds like a debt collection.
A&P. Okay, your name?
Elizabeth Trombley appearing on behalf of Priority Waste.
All right, so we have a civil infraction, and we have you guys need to discuss this further, right?
Yes, I'm just requesting an adjournment, Your Honor.
All right. Does your client
Samantha,
stand
thank you for that.
formal reading for
Yes.
purposes of arraignment on the misdemeanor?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll enter a not guilty plea, $100 personal bond. I'll give you the adjournment. Give me a couple weeks down the road, Amy, please.
August 14th at 9:15 a.m.
August 14th at 9:15, okay?
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks a lot.
Yep. Bye.
She's very cheery.
Mina Ehab Alhami Nassif, 25T645912.
coordinators always looking for the opportunity.
Counsel, is he out there?
He was out there and met with the prosecutor, but he's no longer in the.
Mitchell Jeffrey
Was here, but he's
Wilson,
gone.
25G306474. Come on up here, sir. Yeah. You don't qualify, sir. Your name?
Mitchell Wilson.
What are you driving like this for? You just don't qualify. You got 4 prior moving violations on here. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was trying to get down to.
Yeah, well, you're not gonna get that from me.
Okay.
Okay, so you can go talk to him again, or you can request an informal hearing.
Okay.
What do you want to do? You gotta be careful driving.
I don't know, looking for a stop sign.
You want to go talk to the department rep again?
Yeah, do I just knock on that door here?
I'll have the file brought over, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, Otero, Davidian, Jose Otero, 25T6460446A and B. Your name?
Division of Jose Otero.
Good morning. You're charged with animal violation, no license. That's a misdemeanor, and then you're also charged with runt dog at large. That's a civil infraction.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Do you want a lawyer?
No.
I'm gonna go ahead and arraign you, and then I'll send you to the prosecutor. It's alleged that you did own a dog that was on Cleveland near New York Street in Trenton at 2:20 p.m. on July 7th of 25. That is a misdemeanor, no license, punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those, and then the dog at large is a 0-point civil infraction. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, on the misdemeanor, these rights apply. Did you sign the advice of rights?
Yes, sir.
Did you read it and understand it?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty at any time, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
I'm entering a not guilty plea. I'm giving you a $100 personal bond.
Chris Wallace, thank you for 25
Your
months.
dog,
OG.
what kind of dog is that?
Thank you.
Dog is to remain in fenced-in yard or your house or
Kelly H,
on a
thanks for
leash.
getting the membership
Listen to
this morning.
Very carefully. Or on a leash, equipped with a muzzle. You understand that? A muzzle.
On a leash.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Most people don't
So
have a
do
muzzle.
not have
for their
that dog out of that yard or out of your house without the dog being equipped with a muzzle, on a leash, and accompanied by you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Kelly H gifted a super chat as well. Good morning,
Need to be
sunshines.
accompanied by
Thank you.
you, the owner, or other suitable adult. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Also,
You know, it
you
has
cannot
been here
leave the
longer,
state without
officially 10
consent.
months,
You cannot
but,
violate a law. You must appear in court as directed.
Thank you.
So I'm going to hand this off to the court officer, who will take it to the prosecutor, and you'll meet with the prosecutor. Any questions?
Red Pen, do I have to share the link and you
I'm
have to
entering
jump
a
online
plea
and tell us
denial
right
on
now?
Civil infraction. Good
Do
luck.
that.
We still don't have that lawyer here?
No, I'll try to call
Call
him,
the
Judge.
bailiff.
Please, thank you. Marcus Adam Ledyard. 25B1477098. Could I have Reg Winder Chahal seated at this table, my right, your left? And also Manuel Quatrin Velez seated at that table, right there at that table. Your name, sir?
Marcus Ledyard.
I am
You're
on
late.
vacation. I'm in
I wasn't late.
the beautiful
You're not late?
Bear Lake
Say 8:40. I was here.
area.
You're supposed to, you guys can have a seat.
Thumbs up.
Seat. There you go. $75 a week you were supposed to pay, right?
Yes, I was.
Hang on. What did I tell you when I gave you that payment plan when you were supposed to pay $75 a week starting April 7th? What did I tell you?
I mean, so, hey, a few things happened, but, you know,
What else did I tell you?
Pay it.
If you didn't have the money.
To talk to me.
call you and let you know. To call the court now.
Call me, call the court, we'll get on Zoom and I'll give you an extension. Right?
Yes,
Or come in and talk to me on or before the due date and I'll give you an extension. Right?
yes.
Why didn't you do that? It's not that hard.
I just had a few things happen.
That's okay, I get it. That's why I tell everybody, you don't have the money, come to court and talk to me on or before the due date. How much do you have today?
Like 160, maybe something like that. 160.
Can you pay that today?
Yes.
Now listen, I'm
How
gonna
much
give
do I
you,
owe total now?
you owe 281. I'm gonna give you a payment plan, but you gotta show some respect and call the court if you don't have the money. Is that fair?
Yes.
Okay. You pay 160 today, and you tell me when you can pay the balance. How about if I set you,
Couple weeks, maybe.
how about if I set you up on 40 per week? If you can pay it earlier, that's fine. Beginning August the 15th, how's that?
That's fine.
You can do that, you think?
Yes.
If you don't have the money, what are you gonna do?
Call the court.
And we'll go on Zoom, or you can come in here on or before the due date, okay?
Yes.
All right, best of luck to you. So go down the hall, pay 160, then
What's up,
40
Chris? Thank you very
starting
much. 10
in,
months.
On
Appreciate
August
your
the
support.
15th. Best of luck. Reg Winder Cower Chahal, 25T645.
Is the audio clipping for you guys? Is it like getting choppy?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Your name?
Rajavinder.
You're charged with just not having your license on you. I can read the charge, send you to the prosecutor, or I can give you a lawyer, whatever you want.
Sorry.
It's okay. You have the right to a lawyer. If you want me to give you a lawyer, I will give you a lawyer.
No, sir. I'm fine.
Okay, so I'll go ahead and arraign you, and then you can go talk to the prosecutor. Is that fair? I'm gonna explain the charge and the possible penalties, and then you go talk to the prosecutor. I'm sure the prosecutor's gonna be reasonable with you, okay? Fair enough? You
I just
understand
switched my
that?
phone to be on Starlink, which is
On June
Right
26 or
here.
25, the police think you didn't have that you were operating a motor vehicle and that you didn't have a license with you on your person on
That should work.
Fort near Vreeland and Trenton at 12:32 in the morning. That is a misdemeanor. It is punishable by up to $100 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all of those penalties. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign an advice of rights and read and understand the rights?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You have the right to a lawyer. You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer. You still wish to give up your right to a lawyer.
No, sir.
You want a lawyer now?
No, sir.
So you waive your right to a lawyer, right?
Excuse me?
You're giving up your right to a lawyer, right?
Lawyer? No.
Okay. So I'm going to enter a not guilty plea. I'm going to give you a $100 personal bond. You don't have to post any money. We're going to send you to the prosecutor. You're going to go talk to the Trenton City Attorney. I'm sure they're going to be reasonable with you, okay?
Okay.
I don't like that he sends them to the
So you can
prosecutor. The
go out in the
prosecutor's not
hall.
your
My
friend.
court officer will bring this file to the prosecutor and they'll call you out, okay?
Okay, thank
Do
you.
you understand?
Are you?
Go have a seat in the hall.
Hang on one second, hang on one
I'll be right
second.
there with you.
Here. Stand right there, stand right there. I want to make sure you understand. Do you understand everything that's going on here?
Sir,
I just explained to you the charge and the possible penalty.
passport?
Possible penalty.
Oh,
I told you what the possible penalty is, right? I said it was, I'm just telling you what it is. It's up to, I'm just telling you the maximums. I have to tell you the maximums. Up to $100 in fines, up to 90 days in jail, plus costs. I don't want to scare you. I'm not going to send you to jail, but I have to tell you what the maximums are. Those are the worst things that could happen, but they're not going to happen. I'm not going to send you to jail because you didn't have your license with you. So go talk to the prosecutor, see what you can negotiate with the prosecutor. They'll write up a plea form, and then you'll come back in front of me. Okay?
okay.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, good enough. Good luck.
Good job, Judge. Gary Maine,
Manuel Ivan Quatrin Velez.
member for 27 months. Oh, gee,
248.
what a glorious day. It's a good day to have a good day. It's a beautiful day.
Good morning. See, he's got
Hey, have a seat in the hallway.
hallway, man.
Grab your stuff.
You have to go talk to the prosecutor.
She doesn't know what's going on.
So they
She's
got to go to the
translator.
Flat Rock prosecutor to have him dismiss this, John. Go out in the hallway, and the prosecutor will talk to you. He'll fill out a stiff form, he'll send it in, and then I'll recall you, okay?
You wearing
Ross,
shorts?
Deviante Z1 Ross, 25T645998A and B.
Hawaiian shirt is better than tank top, but it's still not a good choice for court. What's this one? It's a Pink Floyd shirt? What is
Your
that?
name?
Oh, no.
Deviante what? You're charged with driving on a suspended. You also have a expired plate. That's a B file. You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you want a lawyer? I'll go ahead and arraign you, and then I'll send you to the prosecutor. On July 8 of 25, the police think you were operating a motor vehicle on Fort near Sibley and Trenton at 9:13 a.m. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 500 fines, 93 days jail, costs, or all those for 2
SpongeBob.
points. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign the advice of rights?
Yes.
Did you read it?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
For the most part, yes.
I can't hear you.
For the most part, yes.
Okay, so tell me what part you didn't understand. If you plead guilty, we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that? If you plead guilty, you're waiving the presumption of innocence. You're waiving the requirement that they prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You're waiving your right to remain silent. You're waiving your right to a trial of any kind. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. Now, if you plead guilty, you understand
Ivan
there
wants
will
a
be no
poll.
trial.
Hang on
You're
one
giving
second.
up your right to a jury
See if we can do
trial.
this.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you still wish to give up your right to a lawyer?
Yes.
I'll enter a not guilty plea, $500 personal bond, okay? You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. I'm going to send you over there to the prosecutor, and you'll come back in front of me either way. I'm entering a plea of denial on the expired plate charge, okay?
What does that mean?
That means I'm saying you didn't do anything wrong, to put another way. And you go negotiate this with him. I'll be fair with you, okay? Good luck. Segova? I got a note here, does not speak English. This is file 25T645763 A, B, and C. Hola,
Hola.
what's your name? I know, you speak Spanish? I'm gonna get you an interpreter. No, I know. We're gonna get you a Spanish interpreter, okay? I don't know how we can do that. I'm gonna reset the arraignment and pretrial. I need to learn how to speak Spanish, you know that? A little bit, enough to,
You have to say guilty, guilty, guilty.
yeah, I know, we're getting a lot of them. Listen, Spanish.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the poll up in chat. Just 1 second. We're gonna do this officially.
Espanol, listen, I'll get you one. translation, I don't know what to say. Amy, point out the date to him.
Comprende.
Try or have somebody try to explain. I'm going to get him an interpreter, and I'll just let you get the new date. Okay.
Yep, Judge, we use Google Translate. It works pretty well at the window, so.
Perfect. See, I learned something today, John.
Yep.
We have that down there. Go down the hall, all the way to the end of the hall.
The poll's
Thank you.
up.
Good luck. Nicole, Marie, Mayros.
I've been trading Bitcoin for goats.
6067. Be right with you. Your name?
Nicole Maris.
You're charged with no license on the dog.
Yeah.
You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one.
I don't think I need one.
I'm going to go ahead and advise you on July 8 of 25 at 1:17 p.m. It is alleged that you did have a dog that was on Jackson Street near Benson and Trenton that was not licensed. You got to get a license. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail costs, or all those. Do you understand that? Did you sign the advice
We
of
have an
rights?
hour.
This
We
document.
are naming
Did you sign
Ayden's
it?
new company.
Yep.
Did you read it?
I
Did
mean,
you?
I haven't really read it, no.
Don't ever sign your name. What if we just had you sign over your
I
house?
didn't sign this one. Is this the one you're talking about? I signed the one that has like 4 spaces for a signature.
All right, let me just go through your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to say anything.
Okay.
You have the right to a trial by court or jury. You have the presumption of innocence. They have to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. If you plead guilty, you're waiving the requirement that they prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You're waiving your right to remain silent. You're waiving your right to trial. You're waiving your presumption of innocence. You're waiving the right to bring in your own witnesses and to use the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses. If you plead guilty, again, you're giving up all those rights and there's not going to be a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, do you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yeah, I totally got it.
I'll enter a not guilty plea. What kind of dog is that?
Australian Shepherd, and I have just a dog I found in the city of Detroit on the street. Saved on.
Okay, hang on a second.
Got a rescue.
You know you have a warrant out of this court. Are they checking these warrants?
That warrant is, I paid a ticket a couple days ago, and your guys' computer system was down because of the storm a couple days ago. So they were supposed to actually fix that for me.
Did you pay the ticket?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, well, this is,
I have the paper and
hold on, I
numbers.
believe you, I believe you.
Yeah,
The-
she doesn't have a warrant, Judge.
Yeah, this was run July 25th. Okay, I didn't know that you came in and paid it.
I hope they updated that. though.
They will not have a warrant out for your arrest.
Okay.
Okay, so give me a bond sheet. I'm giving you a $100 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law.
Okay.
You must appear in court as directed. You are going to have to keep that dog.
I actually have a question, if I can ask a question.
Wait 1 second. That dog is to remain in your home. To remain in your house. Fenced in yard. Or, and I realize there wasn't a dog bite here, but or on a leash equipped with a muzzle. And accompanied by you or another suitable owner.
There's a bunny in the shadow there if you can see it.
Morning, sir.
Morning, good morning. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna let you go talk to the prosecutor, I'm entering a not guilty plea. If he doesn't give you what you want, then you come and tell me you want a lawyer, but either way, you're coming back in front of me. Do you understand
Hey, Josh, is
that?
that this morning?
Yes, today?
I mean, we're starting in just a couple minutes.
Okay,
Yep, thank you.
do you have a question?
I thought they were on a 2-year license, but turns out they weren't.
We'll tell the prosecutor all that.
Okay.
Okay? Good luck. Mina Ehab Elhami Nassif, 25T645912. Good morning. Your appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, Matthew Henry appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Nassif.
You are going to plead to impeding the obstructed vision to be dismissed, and you're authorized to enter this plea on behalf of your client. True?
That is true, Your Honor.
To the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Yes, responsible.
Plea is accepted. Obstructed vision's dismissed. 160 is the fines. I'll give them till August the 7th to pay. They can go on 33court.com and take care of that, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you as well.
Yes, something.
Yes, I do, Your Honor. And Ms. Kraft, it's arranged to be filed.
Okay. Was Marina Barnier in here yesterday?
Yes.
What'd they do with her? Got papers here. Stephanie Marie Kraft, 25T644890.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Junkie, radio my time and throw some things to my meeting.
Ma'am, your name?
Stephanie.
All right, so for purposes of arraignment, she stand mute, wait for my reading.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then there's going to be a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, the suspend to be dismissed. She has a valid license now, true?
Correct, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
If you plead to that, that will not be reported to the Secretary of State. The possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And did you sign, read, and understand in advice of rights?
Thank you.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights. There will not be a trial then. Do you understand that?
Yes.
To the charge, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead? Were you in control of a 2014 Ford that was being operated on Harrison near Nichols in Trenton on June the 9th of 25?
Yes.
And did you know you were suspended, revoked, or denied? Hang
Your
on.
Honor, we'll stipulate that at the time her license was suspended, although unaware of it, ignorance of the law is not an appropriate.
Good answer, Mr. Shimk.
Good answer. Good answer. Francis, thank you very much. Thank you for hitting the like button. Thank you for your generous support.
Why was she
Wow.
suspended?
She had an outstanding ticket or some other scenario that she momentarily suspended her license upon receiving. Oh, I understand, Judge. She had made a payment on a ticket through Venmo. She thought that it had, oh, I'm sorry. She had thought she had renewed her license and. the payment
Because she
didn't come
was
through.
suspended because of the impaired charge, right?
There was a sanction regarding her license. She had thought she had paid the reinstatement fee.
Right.
It didn't go through.
Right.
She had fixed it immediately.
Return payment suspension. I got it. All right. Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
Please accept it. Suspends, dismissed. Anything, Mr. Shemke?
Your Honor, she came here with a valid driver's license. I know that's the goal of this court. I respectfully request leniency in any admonishment.
100, anything you want to say? 100 fines, 125 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment. Totals 350 or 60 days, okay?
Your Honor, if possible, can my client get 30 days? to
Does she have any money today? Where do you work? How much do you make?
15 an hour.
Let's make it 60 per week, and I'll start it beginning August the 8th, okay? That's next Friday. You can do that, right? If you don't have the money, you call the court, I'll go on Zoom with you, or you can come in here on or before the date. I'll be glad to give you a extension, okay? Just don't ignore me, all right? Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. 24F243103A. People against Manuel, Ivan, Quatrin, Velez. 24F243103A. Come on up here.
Judge does not like being ignored.
Your name? Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury that the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole truth, so help you God.
He's back in the Hawaiian shirt.
You swear to tell the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Since you were in front of me when I sentenced you back on February 6th of 25, have you been arrested?
No, Your Honor.
Any new charges pending?
No, Your Honor.
Good job. You were compliant. Prosecutor moves to dismiss. You're all set. Case dismissed. I wish you
Yeah,
well.
that's a good
Good luck
outcome.
to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Robinson, have a
Kim,
seat
thanks
up
for the
here, my
thumbs
right,
up.
your left. Mitchell Jeffrey Wilson, 25G306474. Your name?
Ivan, I'm going to go ahead and close the poll out, and it looks like
All right, so he's gonna reduce it from a
Amazing
three-pointer to a
Grazing
one-pointer.
is
You're gonna
winning.
plead to 5 over, right?
Yes,
To the charge 5 over, responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
I'll accept the plea, dismiss the original charge
go.
listing.
Amazing
Mr.
Grazing,
Mitchell.
63%. Bleat Meat,
You
19.
like insurance
Got Goats Will
companies? You
Travel,
wanna
that was
give
my
them your
suggestion,
No,
9%.
and that's, I
Clear
haven't
Hook
got it in
Solutions,
like
only
3
8.
years, and I was paying $954, and I finally got it down to $300 a month, and I was happy with that.
money? Well, you had one in 19, 22, 22, and 23, so it isn't exact, and it was the latter part of 22. So just,
Yeah.
I'm just telling you, you got 4 tickets on here, and that doesn't include anything that's not showing on here. You gotta slow down. Speeds accepted, stop sign dismissed, 175, you can go down the hall and take care of that, all right?
Family Fix
Please
turns
slow down
cooking,
for
although
your
I
own
don't have any
sake.
days.
We don't want you to
where
hurt
I'm
anybody or
responsible.
your good-looking face there, okay? Nicolian Chevalier Robinson. 24F243037. Mr. Robinson,
Good morning.
long time no see.
Long time
Not
no
that
see.
long though. How long's it been?
Maybe a month or two.
Yeah, I know. It's not that long, right? You got a show cause here. They think down the hall, the probation department does, that you violated probation in that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs, testing positive on a chemical test on July the 29th of 25. July 9 of 25, my apologies. If you have no prior technical violations, if you plead guilty or if you're found guilty, you could get 5 days here. Do you understand that?
I don't understand.
Did you sign the advice of rights?
Yes, sir.
Did you read it?
Yes, sir.
Understand it? If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up
Hang on,
all
hang
those
on.
rights and there will be
We
no
need to,
hearing.
we
Do
need
you
to mute
understand
this guy
that?
for a minute. Hang on.
All right.
Let's mute them for just a second. While they're taking care of this guy's case. Ivan's logo for Amazing Grazing. We need to put our heads together and help Red. Red, who has Canva, can make this, or can bring our creation to life. I'm thinking of a goat. The goat has to have the little chin beard thing, but it also, can we put a goat with a mullet on the logo? A goat with a halo. That's good. The mullet would be.
Because sometimes they'll do that.
Good morning, Deputy. How are you today?
Good morning, Judge McNally. I'm doing fine. How you doing? It's almost Friday, sir.
I get it. It's awful ugly out there, though. Wow. I'm supposed to play golf tonight.
It's a little rough.
Yeah. So you have Mr. Bankovich here, right?
I do, sir.
Is he up for pretrial? Is that what he's doing? Yep. Do you know, Amy, is Mr. Bankovich up for pretrial today?
Yes, that's what I have on my docket, Your Honor.
Yep, an arraignment pretrial, Mazin met with him.
Okay, we're gonna give him a lawyer right now.
He already met with a lawyer, Judge.
Oh, he did? Who's this lawyer?
Mazin.
Okay. Okay.
I may have jumped the gun. I just saw he was in custody and got him in with Mazin.
All right.
I'm actually on my way in on that one.
Mason has that one.
We'll get Mr. Gaith in here momentarily. Kevin Joseph Connors, apparently he's already talked to lawyers, so we'll get him to zoom in and we'll go for their deputy, okay?
Sounds good, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, good luck.
Kevin Joseph Connors, 25T645760.
Judge, does he have an attorney?
No.
Okay, I didn't know if Derek was an attorney's name. Yeah, I don't. I have
So-
no one checked in on that.
Well, he already met with the city attorney, it looks like. I hope he knew he had to come in. Hey, Will, can you call up for a Kevin Connors? I don't know. I hope he didn't leave. It's a Trenton prosecutor. See what they reduced it to impeding. I'm ready to go, but I don't have he isn't in here, so. Thanks a lot, Will. How you doing, Mr. Gaith?
Good morning, how are you?
Good. Ugly out there.
Judge, for Mr. Bankovich,
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not sure what just happened there. Did you guys hear that audio with the F-bomb? Hopefully not. Thank you. I can't hear court now. There we go. I muted it.
Hey, Donald Allen Bankovich,
My phone says playing the audio could have
25G306-532,
been disconnected or something.
25G306-489.
I couldn't
Mr.
find where the
Gaith,
app
your
was.
appearance.
Judge Mazzagatti, on behalf of Mr. Bankovich.
I muted everything because it was swearing.
All right, Mr. Bankovich, your name?
Donald Allen Bankovich.
Does he stand mute, waive formal reading on Judge Hessen's case?
Yes.
And he also stands mute and waives formal reading on my case, true? All right, so, and now he's going to plead on the trespass case in front of me out of Gibraltar, and they're going to dismiss the other, right?
Correct.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty here, the possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign an advice of rights? No, you did not, of course not. You're presumed innocent. They have to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to remain silent. You enjoy the presumption of innocence. If you plead guilty, you're giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is this what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Charge of trespassing, how do you plead?
I'm guilty, sir.
On July 7 at 25 at 1:45 p.m., were you at 28443 North Gibraltar Road in Gibraltar?
Yeah. According to Bob, yes, sir.
You'd been trespassed from the place. They told you and informed you they did not want you to be there. Is that true?
Well, sir.
Is that true or false?
Yes, sir.
But you still went there?
Sir, I have a boat slip there, sir. I have a lease. Like, it's like I have an apartment and you tell me not to go to my apartment because I'm trespassed.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. The owner of the property can tell you they don't want you to be there.
Well, sir, may I speak? I signed a lease.
I
sir.
get it. I get
Okay.
it. But is that the owner of the property that told you you can't go there?
I can't know. I don't know who the owner was, sir. I don't know the owner, which property, the Gibraltar Boatyard.
Call in Detective Robinson, will you? Or the city attorney for Gibraltar, whoever's available.
They asked me not to go into the restaurant, sir, and I didn't go into the restaurants. So I'm very confused, sir.
Well, let's unconfuse you. How's that? Let me figure this out.
Yes, sir, please. I speak though?
No, let me get the lawyer. You got a good lawyer here, and we got a very qualified prosecutor in here. Mr. Langtot, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Todd Lantot.
So this gentleman, and if the detective could come in too, I'd like to hear, I think, I arraigned Mr. Bankovich. I set a bond on him because I was told at the time of the arraignment or the signing on record that the defendant had 20 or so guns in his boat, that the people were in fear of him. And that's why I set the bond in part. And then he's got 2 trespassing charges here, and he's raising the issue. He said he was told not to go back. Didn't I tell you not to go back there too, didn't I? When did I arraign him, Amy?
I haven't been back since you told me, sir. I've been in here since you arraigned me. I've been here.
So I'm trying to figure this out. Hang on. Tell me your name too.
Sergeant Gary Robinson.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on here. He says they leased him a boat slip. Is this the same owner of the property? Who owns 28443? That's Humbug, right?
I believe that's Humbug.
And Humbug trespassed him?
He's been trespassed, yeah. He does not have a boat slip there. He was buying some boats, 2 or 3 boats from the property, and they don't want him there anymore. They're trying to get him out of there.
Do you have a boat there?
I have a signed contract, sir.
Sir, I didn't ask you that. Do you have a boat there?
Yes.
You have a boat there?
Yes.
Your Honor, he has a boat at Humbug 2, and they're trying to get it out of there, but he's in jail, and the boat doesn't start and it doesn't float. So they want him out of there.
All right, look. All right, but you were told not to go there, right? Right?
Recently, yes.
Sir?
Yes.
Or July 7th, were you told that they did not want you there, and did they inform you that you were not to be on that property? Yes or no?
Okay. In confusion, I'm gonna have to say yes. In confusion, though, I was told not to be at the Gibraltar yard. They did not ask me not to go back to the Gibraltar 2 yard. I went to the Gibraltar 2 yard to ask them, where is my boat? May I please get my boat? And they said, when you come here, we were told to call the police. Well, we're not going to. And I said, no. When I came here, if you were told to call the police, then please call the police, because I don't want anyone else in trouble here but me. And so they called the police. All I was trying to...
Wait. How can we make arrangements for his boat to be released to him? I don't care if it's inoperable or not. He's in jail, obviously, but I hope they're not going to be charging him.
They're not charging him. They want to give him this money if you give him anything. Because they wanted to get a slip, and they said, we're not doing any of that stuff. We just want to get him his boat off our property.
They have my money.
Mr. Bankovich, you're interrupting. Hang on. You're interrupting. Go ahead.
According to Mr. Bankovich, he's already posted all his bonds. He's just waiting for a tether. He should be out of there. He's already posted 10 days ago. So he's just waiting on a tether, so he should be out of there in the next few years.
When did you post your bond?
My bond wasn't being able to post until yesterday or 2 days ago, sir.
All right, so the only requirement now is that you be fitted with a tether, right?
Correct, sir.
All right. I don't want to make this bigger than it is.
I don't either, sir.
Oh, I know, but just stop interrupting me, will you please? I'm still a little confused. They did tell you, the owner, that they did not want you to go back to, before July 7th, true or false, to 28443 North Gibraltar.
True.
True.
But you went back anyway, right?
True.
I didn't know that they were both affiliated with the same address, sir.
Bankovich, just a yes or no to the judge's question. Did you go back after you were told not to go
Yes,
back?
sir. Yes, sir.
Were you on probation parole?
No, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Plea is accepted.
Thank you, sir.
25G306532, 25G306489 is dismissed. That's the case in front of Judge Hessen. That's on motion of the prosecutor. I'm not going to order a pre-sentence report here, but I am going to release him on this case. I'm going to give you a $1,000 personal bond, and I'm going to set a sentence date. Now, I want to be clear. If you need to talk to anybody, you call Detective Robinson at Gibraltar if there's any problem with you getting your boat. Will you help him with that?
Your Honor, absolutely. I've already talked to Humbug, and I will be the one that facilitates the transfer of the boat.
You're not to enter, again, I'm going to tell you one more time, you're not to enter 28443 North Gibraltar Road in Gibraltar.
Crystal
Not to
clear.
leave, hang on, just listen to me. You're not to leave the state without consent. You're not to violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. I'm going to set this for a sentencing, sir. And I want you, once you're released, Amy, I don't even know, the trespassing, that's 90-day misdemeanor. Is that printable? Is that something we can still get in a lien? Under these circumstances, I don't usually do it.
If it's a 90-day
Judge
misdemeanor, then
McNally. It's Judge McNally.
Yeah, it's a 90-day
You want
under
that high?
state law. All right. Yeah, so I can't, so there's no reason for me to order prints. I want to be clear with you, you're not to have any contact with any Humbug Marina employees. Now, listen to me very carefully. I'm going to sentence you. If it comes to my attention that you've gone back there, I will give you 90 days on this, I'm telling you. Do we understand one another?
I do, sir. Yes, sir.
And you're not to possess any firearms or dangerous weapons, which is what I ordered on the other case. I'll give you a sentence date. I'm not ordering a pre-sentence. If you need to talk to Detective Robinson, you do that. I wouldn't recommend you talk to him in any way about the other case, but you talk to him about strictly getting your boat back. So you don't have somebody accusing you of getting a hold of Humbug indirectly or directly rather, and then me saying, well, you violated my bond, and now we got a big deal. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sentence date in about 3 weeks. You posted your bond 2 days ago or yesterday?
As far as I know, it was 2 days ago, sir. The day that I seen you in court, my brother had went and posted the bond.
And that was on, today's Thursday, that was Tuesday?
Yes, sir.
They gotta do a better job of getting people with tethers on over there. I mean, really, it's just like, seriously? Okay, August, what am I doing?
we can do 2 weeks or 4 weeks.
Let's
You're
do
not here in
4.
30
We'll do August 28th at what time?
Thank you, Kim.
8:30.
What do you want to talk about, Mr. Bankovich?
I can't make any money if I'm in here to.
I just got done telling you, I thought I did, maybe I didn't. I thought I said $1,000 personal bond. I'm going to release you in terms of this case.
Okay, yes, sir.
From drinking
Mr.
milk.
Bankovich, I have concerns here. I'm telling you, don't go near that property. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And you're going to help him with his boat?
Absolutely.
Thank you. And if there's a problem, if they won't give you your boat back, then you come in and you file a handwritten motion and you come in front of me on that case. You can go through Mr. Gaith. All right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Take me serious, Mr. Bankovich.
Yes,
Good
sir.
luck. Thanks a lot. Thank you, guys.
Okay, I'm going to mute the judge for a second. That case is crazy. This guy had 20 guns on his boat in a slip where the Marina trespassed him from the property, didn't want him to come back. The Marina says they can't move his boat because it won't start and it won't float. He's been ordered not to have any guns and to not be on the property ever. But he's also has to get his boat out of there, which I don't know how he'll do if it won't float and it won't start, how they're going to bring it to him. And what about the sunken guns? There's more to that story we'll have to get into. Anyway, moms woke up. You think you're the first person? Well, no, there's some
I've
kids
been
up too.
awake for quite a while.
Some kids are waking up, but you have to step forward. The kids can't be there, but this is you. This keeps the kids out.
Don't come in the picture.
Good morning. But anyway, 20 guns Is he a gun runner? Apparently. It's lake day today. It is. I think, are we going to the lake today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, going to beach. Yep.
Okay. You did well, Ma. We just love your son. Thank you, Bug Dugger.
So do I.
I tell you, it's been awesome. It's been sort of like I'm back at home because like all the siblings are here. I'm living at home. We're all in the same house again. So it's dinner around the table and it's just, 50 of us as opposed to, a dozen. So did Mama play pickleball? No, but she went on a hike to the caves, the ice caves. I did not do that. I stayed home and did nothing.
That was okay. We had a breakdown on the way and then we had to walk.
Yeah, flat tire, blowout.
Yeah.
So that was cool. Yeah. He produced a solid B minus, says Ivan. Ivan, thank you. Ivan's buying a goat herding business that's going to be called Amazing Grazing.
Oh, yeah?
Where he takes the goats around and they eat people's thistles. Like basically what's here. They would eat everything that's on the yard.
I've seen that. They do it fast, too.
That's his goal. He was going to have like speed goats and he can charge like big money.
Yeah, good.
All right. That said, I think we're going to pull this guy out. That's us again. I apologize for this, but I'm loving being here with my family. And I haven't been with them for like, 6 years altogether. So we're going to, I'm not going to apologize. I'm not sorry. I'm going to cut it short this morning. This is our last full day together, so we're going to have just a fun time playing games and stuff. We'll probably do a live stream from the beach and show you the lake, show you the water a little bit, and just have some fun. Then tomorrow I will be traveling. We'll do a morning meetup in the morning, a lot like this. I'll be out here on the deck. But we've got to check out by 10 o'clock, which is about an hour and a half from right now. So that would give us enough time to get out. We'll do the birthday songs tomorrow and everything there. Love on Mom Fund. Who was that? Is that Troy? Thank you very much.
What did you say?
Troy gave a super chat that says, "Love on Mom Fund." Thank you. Anyway, we'll do a morning meetup really quickly, and then we'll be driving for a couple hours to get back home. I don't know what Friday will look like. Probably will be at your house. So it's going to be crazy because it's a lot of people in a little space. I don't know how many are going there, but I still have to figure out how to get to the airport or if I'm doing a hotel or what. But I'll be flying home on Saturday, and we're going to be back to normal on Monday. So regular studio show, and until then, we just have this amazing view to show with you. That is just, see that lake? Oh, it helps if it's straight. You can see it over there too.
Yeah.
I think we're going to be on the north end, which is right up here, like over this hill and a few miles up. But we're going to be there. We'll check in and show you what it's like. So.
It's beautiful.
So tonight when you go home, please hug the people you love, smile at someone, make their day just a little bit better, and please stay safe till we go live again from the beach of Bear Lake. Sometime, I think it's going to be, I'd be surprised if we get there in the next 3 hours, honestly. It's
breakfast.
We haven't started making breakfast. So anyway, it's a thing. It's a thing to move this many people. Anyway, have yourselves a wonderful day. We'll check in tomorrow with you. Thank you very much. You guys are amazing. Be good to each other. Bye.